You are all welcome to see the case study on an AI. AI is nothing but an artificial intelligence. Yes, so this and what is meant by artificial intelligence or an AI is it is nothing but an theory and the development of an computer science that are able to perform a task normally required by an human intelligence. So suppose if we are feeling an very tough to do such type of a job, so we can able to have an assistance of an AI, so that by having an assistance of an AI we can able to complete the task with the most human intelligence process, right? So we can able to have some of the examples of this and task includes speech recognition, visual perceptions, decision making and translations between languages. So where or the field where we can able to use this in AI means where we can able to use to have the speech recognition process and then visual perceptions and how to take decisions, and we can able to use also in an translating between an languages. In other words, if and every time you say hey Alexa, you are using an AI, but in another area we can find AI in our lives. So take a look up common examples you are bound to already the familiar with. So here we can able you are familiar with an Alexa, where we can able to use this an Alexas for using an concept of an AI. So if you are giving an command, the Alexa can be able to perform the information. Take for examples, Alexa switch on the light means we can able to switch on the light automatically by giving the voice recognition process in an AI. Okay, so next one. So Netflix uses an AI to determine streaming suggestions are based on your viewing history. So here you are familiar with the Netflix. So in a Netflix also we can able to use this an AI. So what is the purpose of using an AI means? So here we can able to give you the suggestions based on your viewing history. So suppose if you have an brief history of an browsing. So suppose based on the browsing history, we can able to have to give the suggestions, the streaming suggestions, what is your need of an going to browse for a particular content, right? So next one. So Facebook uses all the data you input on the platform, from the videos you watch to what you say in your status updates, to determine which advertisement you might be interested in. So here in and also not only in these fields, Netflix, and also we are using FB for uses the data to give the input to the platform. So for giving an input, we can able to use this concept. Okay, so next one. So here from we can able to use to say what is the status update. So by watching the videos we can able to have a status update, and we can also use to determine which advertisement you are might interested in. So from the informations which is going live, we can able to pitch, or we can able to judge, or we can able to analyze in which advertisement you are going to be interested in. Okay, next one. Universities use essay submissions softwares to determine if work has been plagiarized. So here even in an universities we can able to use these type of an AI concepts. So for getting a checking of the concepts of an plagiarism. So plagiarism is nothing but an whether these set of an informations or documents or words are being copied from any other sources or not. So like that we can able to check. This is the process called as an plagiarisms, right? So next one. Google Map utilizes an ongoing satellite imagery to determine the best route for you to take you on a journey. So here so we are using an familiar real-time applications, that is in Google Map. So here the Google Map will give you the guidelines with the help of an satellite imagery. So we can, by using this, we can able to determine the best route for us to reach the place quicker. Next one. From the above examples, you can see how an artificial intelligence is now less a figment of a merry sci-fi novel, and in something we commonly interacted with in and our everyday life, often without even thinking about it. So here scientists and scholars and innovators are keen to learn about an AI and what we can able to do more complex levels. So how can we able to reduce the informations which is being in a more complex by using the informations of a AI concepts. Okay, thank you.